When I was first learning how to edit videos, I came across a big problem: money. I believe this was the thing that was holding me back from learning to edit. When I first wanted to get into editing, I thought I needed to have a PC with maxed out specs. And at the time, me not even having any laptop to start with made me think I couldn't get into it. But then I learned that I could make some very good edits only using my phone. And for a long time, I used to make short-form content through my phone only. Fortunately, I was able to afford a MacBook about a year later and move on to editing long-form content. However, when I got started with editing, I searched up how to edit YouTube videos. And all the videos were telling me to buy softwares like Adobe Premiere or Final Cut Pro. I was under the impression that I had to pay to get access to a good software. I couldn't have been more wrong. After some research, I came across CapCut. This had saved my editing journey, as money was a big problem for me. CapCut has some amazing features like auto captions, a wide range of effects and transitions, but the best thing about CapCut is that it's completely free. Yes, there is a paid version, but the free one is one of the best. But there is a competitor of CapCut, DaVinci Resolve. Resolve is honestly incomparable to any other software out there, from being used in YouTube videos to top-of-the-industry films. The free version of Resolve dominates with its endless number of features. But it has a steep learning curve, as it does look pretty scary when you first open it up. But there are loads of free tutorials on YouTube that can teach you how to use it. And with some time and patience, you can become very good at using the software. Now you might be thinking, which one do I use? If you're someone who wants to have access to the most features, create a lot of visual effects, and do color correction, I think DaVinci Resolve is a better option. But if you're only doing simple editing and motion graphics, CapCut would be your best choice, as there is no point in trying to learn a complex software when you won't even use half the features it has. If you're going to edit on your phone, then CapCut is the way to go, as Resolve can only be used on a laptop. Now, another problem I ran into was finding stock footage that was free, as 90% of the footage out there costs money. The best website for this is Pexels, as it has the most amount of free photos and videos. For the background music, I used YouTube's Sound Library and Creator Mix. There are so many free resources out there, they just take a bit of digging to find. The ability to find free stock footage and music is like a skill. After some time trying to find it, over time you will eventually know where to go to find what you want. At first, it's a struggle, but over time it gets easier. As for the thumbnail, I suggest you go with Canva. It has a lot of different components that help get what you want, and their website is very easy to navigate and learn. It is very easy to change little details and create your thumbnail how you want to. It is definitely possible to edit videos on a low budget, and hopefully with the information I've given you, I've made it a lot easier.